This is the Poly Blackwire 8225 wired headset. This wired headset comes with a soft pouch. A wired headset is being used as our reference set, so there's no charging, no battery, or no Bluetooth. It has a boom microphone, which brings the speaker talker right close to the microphone. It costs around $165. The cable is about 7 feet long and it weighs 186 grams, which is quite light. The speakers are 32 millimeter diaphragms, which means that they'll have reasonable performance. It has sound guard protection against high levels above 118 dB, and it uses a noise cancellation technology that Poly calls acoustic fence, which uses external microphones to cancel out the sound. And these are Microsoft Teams Open Office certified. What I like about this headset and why we're using it as a reference headset is because of the boom microphone that allows for the close proximity between the person speaking and the microphone pickup. Also, we will be able to tell whether any of the wireless technologies have poorer performance than a wired USB performance. So we can gauge whether or not a wired connection makes sense from a business perspective. The lightweight and the flexibility of the headset allows these to be worn a long time and be carried and be portable at the same time. These are the Bose 700 UC noise canceling headphones. These headphones come in a hard shell case. The headphones have a fixed headpiece with pivoting earpieces and a USB adapter. They cost around $450 and they weigh 254 grams, which is in the moderate weight category. The charge time is 2.5 hours with 15 minutes giving about 3.5 hours of playback, and the battery life is 20 hours. It has voice assist for Google, Alexa, and Siri. And for microphones, there are 6 microphones for active noise cancellation, 4 microphones for voice pickup. And the speakers have 40 millimeter drivers. What I like about this headset is the quality of the drivers and performance of the audio will lean towards somebody wanting to play back music, but the additional microphones for voice pickup should make this a good headset for collaboration sessions as well. This is the Sennheiser Momentum wireless headset. This is Sennheiser's premium wireless headset, and it comes in a soft shell case. This headset has a foldable design to it. They cost around $350 and they weigh 305 grams, which is heavier than some of the other headsets. The charge time is 3 hours. The battery life is 17 hours. It has Alexa built in for voice assistance, and it is using 2 beamforming microarrays for picking up the voice. And the transducers are 42 millimeter, which is the largest of the headsets that we're comparing. What I like about this headset is the premium quality of the materials, and the size of the transducer should make them very good for audio pickup. And the case and foldability of this is a good design, but the weight will be a little bit of a challenge. And what we'll be looking for is the quality of the microphone pickup with these 2 beamforming arrays to see if they work effectively for picking up the talker in a web conference. This is the Sennheiser PXC 55011 wireless headset. This is Sennheiser's lower end headset with a soft shell case, collapsible design. These cost around $200 and they weigh 227 grams, which is lighter than some of the other headsets. The charge time is 3 hours with a battery life of 20 hours, It has Alexa as a voice assistant built in, and it uses 3 beam-forming microphones to pick up the talker. And the speakers have 32 millimeter transducers. What I like about this pair of headsets is its lightweight design, moderate size and performance, so I should have a soft, comfortable feel which allows me to wear these for a long period of time, and foldable design means I could use them for personal use as well. 3 beamforming microphones means I should be able to pick up the voices of the talker quite well into the microphones. And the performance, however, of this pair of headsets for audio playback is going to be sacrificed by the smaller transducers. These are the Clear Enduro 100 wireless headphones. These headphones won the Red Dot Award in 2019. Red Dot Awards given to products that have noteworthy design characteristics. And as you can see, these are nicely designed headphones. There's no case with them. They come with a pouch. They cost around $80 and they weigh 280 grams, which is on the moderate weight side. They have a charge time of 3 hours with 10 minutes giving 13 hours of playback, and what's noteworthy is 100 hours of total playback time. There's a built-in microphone and they have 40 millimeter transducers, which means we'll get good sound quality for playback, but with a single microphone we may not get very good microphone pickup for collaboration. Also, what's noteworthy is these headsets do not have active noise cancellation. What I like about this pair of headphones is their reasonable price at $80 and the quality of the materials and the long battery life. These are also a classic consumer grade headset with a single microphone pickup and no active noise cancellation. So this will give us a good reference compared to more sophisticated headsets that have variable active noise cancellation and multiple microphone pickup. These are the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds, version 2. These are premium earbuds that cost around $270. And they're quite light at around 13 grams. And they have active noise cancellation. A charge time of 1.5 hours provides up to 4 hours of battery life, with a total of 12 hours when the rechargeable battery is used in the carrying case. And they have a built-in microphone and dynamic speakers. What I like about the Sennheiser earbuds is they're very lightweight, easy mobility, and high quality performance for the sound capability. What I'm interested in finding out is whether the microphones are going to be sufficient for audio pickup in a collaboration environment. This is the Plantronics, now Poly, Voyager 6200 UC neckband headset. This is a wireless neckband. It comes in a semi-rigid case. It costs around $200. You can see the earpieces with the neckband that holds the battery and the USB adapter that goes into the computer. 1.5 hours for charge time, 16 hours for listening, 9 hours of talk, 14 days of standby.